Stop guessing on Nvidia driver conflicts on Windows 11. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to use the Express installation or Update Driver button in Device Manager, which is exactly what leaves those corrupted kernel files behind to crash your system. Before we enter safe mode, you need to understand the logic or you'll just get stuck in an NVLDDMKM.SYS blue screen loop again 5 minutes into your next match. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so it is physically impossible for you to fail this time. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on fixing these high-stakes hardware conflicts. Look at your desktop and realize that Windows 11 often tries to force install its own generic display driver while you're trying to install the Nvidia version, causing a catastrophic memory collision. You might think your graphics card is dying, but that is a trap designed to make you waste money on a new GPU you do not need. The secret trick that every other creator missed is that you must physically disconnect your internet or disable your network adapter before running the uninstaller to prevent Windows from helping you with a broken driver in the background. If you ignore this offline step, the registry conflict will return every single time you reboot. Follow my movement exactly as we use the Display Driver Uninstaller tool in safe mode to wipe every single trace of the old software.